I'm here today at the Singapore Airshow 2026, one of Asia's largest aerospace events, here at the Changi Exhibition Center. One of the biggest draws is the flying displays, breathtaking aerobatics and powerful jets soaring overhead. It's incredible. We're checking out a wide range of stunning static displays. We're now at the AeroForum, where industry leaders come together to discuss market outlooks, sustainability, autonomy, digitalization, and the future of aviation. There's always something new to learn.
Finally, to wrap up the event, through AeroConnect, we participate in curated networking, connecting with operators and partners based on shared objectives, not chance encounters.
The day wraps up. It's been long, but full of insights that could shape the future of aviation. I can't wait for the next Singapore Airshow.